5 stocks I'm adding on dips for long term. So save this reel before moving on. Coming on to the first stock, that is Larsen and Turbo LNT. Talking about the technicals, if you'll see, it's down around 25% from the all-time high, and currently it's coming at the major first demand zone, that is around 3000 levels. So I'll start accumulating this stock at these levels. And now talking about the fundamentals, so companies into infra and engineering sector. And why this is a long-term bet for me? Because there's a massive infra boom in India. Second thing is defense, engineering, construction, technology. Companies into all type of segments. Fourth, the third thing is strong order book visibility. Companies having good orders. And overall, government capex cycle can benefit L&T for many years. So this is the first stock. I have mentioned the reasons clearly, and this is the level around 3100. I'll start accumulating from these levels. Moving on to the second stock, that is ICICI Prudential Asset Management Company. India's one of the biggest AMC who manages mutual funds, SIPs, ETFs of crores of people. The reason behind this company I am preferring is that India में SIP और म्यूचुअल फंड का ट्रेंड फास्ट ग्रो रहा है. People are more into stock markets, investing and all. So talking about investing, mutual funds, so सबसे पहला नाम आता है ICICI AMC. This is the reason accumulating ICICI AMC. Plus, no fundamentals issue the company is having. Everything is perfect. Demand is growing of this sector. So overall, everything is strong. Talking about ICICI AMC, see how strong the stock was. When Nifty was falling, when Nifty was sideways, this company has given a whooping 300% returns in just 3 years. So you can prefer HDFC AMC also and ICICI AMC, the recently listed company. And that's it guys. So this was the part 1. अगर आपको part 2 चाहिए, 50 comments on this reel and I'll drop the rest 3 stocks which I'm adding for long term buy on dips. अगर आपको reel पसंद आया है, don't forget to like and follow for daily intraday and swing stocks.